crowd.
Next up, we have Sindhu Paida to introduce herself and her performance.
Namaskaram, everyone. I stand before you today with a heart full of gratitude and joy as I complete my Bharatanatyam Kinkini Puja. This day is the result of many years of learning, practice, and love for the art, and I am honored to share it with all of you. My name is Sindhu Paida, and Bharatanatyam has always been my path of learning and expression. Through rhythm, mudras, and abhinaya, I have learned to tell stories with my body. Each lesson with my guru helped me connect movement to feeling, and that connection brings the stories I dance to life. Saying that, I offer my deepest thanks to my guru, Sanjeev Brindavan, whose guidance shaped every step I took. Thank you, Guru, for your patience, your corrections, and for teaching me not just the technique but the soul of this dance. Your steady guidance turned early mistakes into small victories, and those victories led me to this stage. I am deeply thankful to the musicians who accompany me today. Your music is the breath of this performance. It shapes my tempo forward from the start. Thank you, parents, for making room for practice, for encouraging me when it felt hard, and for believing in this dream. Thank you, siblings and relatives, for your love and cheer that kept me going through late rehearsals. Your care has been the base on which every step was built. Alongside dance, I enjoy business and arts. Learning business gives me planning skills and discipline that help me manage practice and performance details. Drawing and other visual arts helps me imagine scenes and refine my abhinaya. These interests connect naturally. Creativity from the arts feeds my dance, and business skills help me present it clearly and confidently. Today, I will perform the song Govardhana Giridhana in Darbari Kannada Kriti Adi Talam. In this piece, I portray Lord Krishna lifting the Govardhana Giri mountain when Indra becomes angry and sends heavy rains. I will show the fear of the villagers, Krishna's playful and bold nature, and his strength and compassion as he protects everyone. The music and thalam guide my footwork and expressions so the story moves from panic to production to peace. Thank you all for coming and for sharing this special day with me. Your presence was truly appreciated. Thank you.
Govardhana Giridhara Govardhana श्रीवत्साङ्गीद श्रीकौस्तुभधर श्रीवत्साङ्गीद श्रीकौस्तुभधर पावक भयकर पाहि मुकुन्द पावक भयकर पाहि मुकुन्द श्रीवत्साङ्गीद श्रीकौस्तुभधर पावक भयकर पाहि मुकुन्द गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविन्द गोकुल परमानन्द गोवर्धन गिरिधर पाठित सुररिपु पदपवृन्द पावन चरित परमृतकन्द पाठित सुररिपु पदपवृन्द पावन चरित परमृतकन्द नाट्यरसोद्घट नानाभरण नाट्यरसोद्घट नानाभरण नाट्यरसोद्घट नानाभरण नारायण तीर्थार्चित चरण नारायण तीर्थार्चित चरण गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविन्द गोकुल परमानन्द गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविन्द गोविन्द गोविन्द